Today, we are gonna fix ChatGPT unable to load conversation problem. Let's start. The first solution is clearing ChatGPT's cache files and close extensions. To do this, we need to open our browser. After opening our browser, we click on the three dots at the top right and then open settings. Once we have opened settings, we click on privacy and security, third-party cookies, and then see all site data and permissions. Click on the search bar and search for OpenAI. After searching for it, click on the trash icon. Click on the search bar again and in this time search for ChatGPT. Do the same here as well. Click on the trash icon and then click on delete. Remember, after doing that, you need to log back into ChatGPT again. To close our extensions, we click on extensions from the bottom left and then close our extensions. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. Also, don't forget to like the video. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. The second solution is using VPN. If there is a server maintenance in our region, this can cause issues like this. To able to avoid such issues, we can use VPN. To add a VPN to our browser, we need to open Chrome Web Store. After opening, we click on the search bar and search for VPN. Here, you can add any VPN you wanna add. I am not gonna do it because I have a VPN program. If you also have a VPN program like me, you can just connect to it. After connecting to the VPN, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the third solution. The third solution is exporting data. Someone on OpenAI's own forum have shared that exporting data solved the problem. And this solution also solved other people's problem. So it is worth to try. To do this, we need to open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, we need to click on our profile. After we do that, we need to click on settings. Click on data controls and then click on export. We have exported our data. Now log out ChatGPT and log back in and then check if the problem is solved or not. If you continue having problems, we will move on to the final solution. Our last but not least solution is changing browser. If there is a problem between Chrome and ChatGPT, this can be the reason we are having problems. In this case, changing our browser can solve the problem. As an alternative to Chrome, you can use Yandex, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. After changing your browser, you can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.